Samantala, dumalo naman sa isang orientation ang mahigit 500 barangay officials sa mga lalawigang sakop ng bagong Bangsamoro upang higit nilang ang mga probisyong nakapaloob sa panukalang BBL. Ang nasabing orientation narito sa aming report na aming kasama ang si Mary Queenstar Baltazar ng PIA Davao Region.
500 barangay officials magmula sa 13 probinsya na sakop sa teritoryo ng Bangsamoro ay nagtipon-tipon para sa oryentasyon tungkol sa Basic Bangsamoro Law na idinao sa Waterfront Insular Hotel, Davao City. Ayon kay Undersecretary Luisito G. Montalvo ng Office of the Presidential Advisor in the Peace Process, ang hangarin ng oryentasyon ay para mas lalo ng mga barangay officials ang mga provision ng BBL.
Nandito are the barangay captains from the different barangays that will be part of the core territory of the Bangsamoro in North Cotabato and North Cotabato City. Pagkatapos, once they are able to complete the sessions here in Davao, babalik sila sa mga barangay nila to be able to explain naman to their constituencies about what they learned from their sessions here.
Hinahangad din ng OPAPP na makuha ang suporta ng mga barangay officials upang magtagumpay ang peace process kasama ang Moro Islamic Front. Inaasahan din sa mga barangay officials na may paliwanag at mapaintindi ang BBL sa kanilang nasasakupan.
No, it was really not really assigning. It became more of an opportunity for different barangay officials to express their support to the peace process, to the BBL, and the reports that we are getting is that almost all, if not all, of those that stood up said that they are supporting the peace process with the MILF and the BBL. So that is a good indication for us that we are able to reach out to them and explain to them why we're doing what we're doing right now.
Mary Queenstar Baltazar, Philippine Information Agency, Davao.